a brand new offensive line, but also, like, everybody remember, Rodgers is coming off the biggest injury of his career, possibly the biggest injury that you can have in football to come back from any sport. And he snapped his Achilles 4 snaps into the regular season last year, so, like, you don't want to take any risk of him possibly hurting himself in a preseason game, but does that worry you heading into week 1 without having kind of any reps?
You know, I think Kirk Cousins would probably worry me a bit more in Atlanta since it's a new team coming off the injury, whereas Rodgers was at least with the squad last year. He knows that he built chemistry with the receivers last year in the preseason.